Okay, so wealth. Now wealth can be classified into two. At one side we have monetary assets, and on the other side we have non-monetary assets. Now the monetary assets act as a medium of exchange. They are highly liquid. On the other hand, non-monetary assets act as a store of value. Now non-monetary assets can be savings accounts, stocks, shares, property, gold, securities, bonds, all that sort of stuff. Let me write this down. Store of value. Yeah, so monetary assets are cash plus current account balances, right? So cash and current account balances, this means that there's no gains, no profits, no dividends, basically no returns. And if there are no returns, this means that there is no value appreciation. On the other hand, these are all financial and physical assets, which means there are returns to benefit from, which means there is value appreciation. So the demand for money is basically the demand for all monetary assets, which means the demand for cash and current account balances. Now if you ask about the opportunity cost of holding monetary asset, it's basically the interest that could have been earned if that money had been invested in an interest-bearing non-money asset, which means all sorts of financial assets, like bonds, securities, stocks, property, gold, etc., etc. So for the ease of understanding, what we'll do is we'll refer to all non-monetary assets as one bonds. So now from the next videos, when you talk about liquidity preference curve, or the money supply, or when you talk about the monetary supply, all sorts of non-monetary assets, the financial assets, the stocks and shares, and physical assets such as property, all of this will be referred to as bonds. So in the next video, we'll talk about the monetary money demand curve, which is the liquidity preference theory.